Hey guys, I'm getting my hair cut today, so I thought I'd take you with me. As you can see, my hair has grown so much since I last had it cut. It was like just above my shoulders, so I need to get it cut again, and I think I'm gonna go even a little bit shorter this time just so that it doesn't grow so quick. I had it cut like shorter around the back last time, and then it's a little bit longer at the front, so I don't know whether to like even it out and have it all the same, just so that it looks shorter at the front as well. And my layers have grown like so much as well. So Kirsty styles my hair, so I'm going to introduce you to her as well, and I'm just going to show you how I get my hair cut and styled, show you the transformation of today, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm ready to go, and this, my friends, is how you put your hair up in 0.2 seconds. 1, 2, boom.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's just my name, Grace Bruce.
Grace, okay, I'm gonna
I'm doing like a little hair transformation video.
Okay. So the shampoo that I use is the EKS.
Okay, yeah, smells so nice.
Yeah.
This is Kirsty, by the way, who's cutting my hair.
So I'm just taking off most of the length now while it's wet.
Yeah.
And then once it's dry, I'm going to point into it to make it a little bit more chunky, give it a bit more A-line this time. We're just going to do it nice and sort of square.
Yeah. And we're doing it in a middle parting as well, so that I can flick it over to each side, so it'll be like even, so it'll be symmetrical both sides.
Just going to put some nice long layers in now. So this is Beach Waves. This is like a texturizing spray.
Okay.
So I'm going to spray it on, and it just gives your hair a bit of texture.
Yeah.
And makes it sort of a bit bitty.
Okay.
So you spray it all over, really stand it onto it. Make your hair greasy, and if anything more like dries out.
That's good. That's what I need.
And it smells lovely.
Yeah, it does.
Always have to over-direct the hair in the opposite direction that it lays. Really taking the weight out of the hair now. Visually, I'm just going to take some weight out, just to create a little bit more kind of movement and texture. Section off, top section. It's all about getting clean cut sections to make your life easier. Nice sort of straight line. Yeah. Lift the hand away. So I'm going to curl it, but keep it kind of straighter on the end, so it gives it that sort of very modernised way rather than a real full-on curl.
We're curling the front bit away from the face, and then after we're going to shake out the curls just so that they're a bit more like messy looking. Is that right? Yes. Shake it out. Shake it out. It's like my favourite part to do. I know. Just watching it all like take shape. I like that. I knew I got them for a reason. Instantly, it looks so much better just by doing that.
So just a little bit of wax.
I think he looks things really good.
Give it a little bit more volume. These little bits that we'll cut. What I'm going to do, just to finish it off, is straighten some of these ends. Have one night, I'll put you go out to the restaurant, same restaurant. Oh my god, I actually love it.
Gorgeous.
I actually got a shape.
So So to round this video up, I am now back. It is day 2 and I've restyled my hair myself and it's just so perfect. I love it. Kirsty does such a great job. I'll put her details on the screen and in the description box down below as well. Give her a follow on Instagram because she is doing like before and after pictures so you guys can get some hair inspiration. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget you can join my second giveaway that will be ending on the 18th of January. I'll put the link for that in the description box down below as well. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I think. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!